Imagine this. A laptop so lightweight you forget it's in your backpack, yet powerful enough to handle your daily grind without breaking a sweat. Sound impossible, right? Well, what if I told you the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 might be the most underrated budget laptop of the year? Because this slim, quiet, shockingly capable machine just changed my entire definition of what a budget laptop can do. And trust me, you're not ready for what I'm about to show you. Today, we're diving deep into the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3, also known simply as the IdeaPad, a laptop that's been making noise for one reason: value. Depending on your region and configuration, this thing starts around $350 to $550, and people are calling it the budget king, the student's dream, and even the best everyday laptop for 2024 to 2025. But is it really that good? Or is it just another cheap laptop with a pretty name? In this video, I'm giving you the real, no BS, brutally honest review. We're unboxing it, testing it, pushing it, breaking down every spec, every strength, every flaw. So by the end, you'll know exactly whether this laptop deserves your money or your immediate skip. Let's get into it. Imagine a pair of headphones that promise 100 hours of battery, flagship level ANC, and high-res audio for a price that feels like a mistake. Sounds impossible, right? Well, what if I told you the CMF Headphones Pro might be the biggest shock of 2025 in the entire audio world? After testing these for weeks, I'm convinced this thing is either the best budget headphone ever made or the most dangerous competitor the big brands have seen in years. And today, I'm going to prove it. What's up, my friends? It's Bika, and today we're diving deep into the CMF Headphones Pro, the newest over-ear beast from Nothing CMF brand. These headphones come in at a price that undercuts Sony, JBL, and Bose by a mile, yet somehow pack features that feel straight out of a premium flagship. Everyone's talking about these right now because CMF is basically saying, why pay $300 when we can give you 90% of the experience for a third of the price? But you know me, I don't fall for hype. So today, you're getting a no BS, brutally honest, cinematic deep dive. If these are amazing, I'll tell you. If they suck, you'll hear that too. The moment you pick up the CMF Headphones Pro box, you feel that signature CMF vibe, clean, minimal, bold typography, and that playful design language that screams confidence. Sliding the lid off, you're greeted with the headphones sitting perfectly centered, almost like they're posing for a product photo shoot. And when you lift them out, wow, the weight hits you first. Not heavy, but premium heavy. That, oh damn, this feels expensive kind of heavy. The matte finish is smooth, the ear cups glide with buttery resistance, and the headband padding feels like memory foam designed by someone who actually cares about your skull. The color looks even better in person. My first thought? These do not feel like budget headphones. Not even close. 100-hour battery life. This is not battery life. This is a lifestyle. I charged these once and forgot what the charger even looks like. 2. Hybrid ANC. The noise cancellation is shockingly good. Not Sony XM5 level, but way closer than expected for this price. Buses, cafes, wind, it handles them like a champ. 3 res audio 40mm drivers. Warm, full, detailed sound. Bass hits with authority, but doesn't drown the mids. Vocals are clean. Highs are crisp without being harsh. For this price, it's unreal. The CMF Headphones Pro use 40mm dynamic drivers tuned for a balanced, slightly warm sound signature. You get LDAC support for high-resolution wireless audio. The build is mostly high-quality plastic, but the finish feels premium. The ear cushions are thick, plush, and breathable, perfect for long sessions. Controls are physical buttons, no annoying touch gestures. ANC uses a hybrid system with feed-forward plus feedback microphones. Connectivity includes Bluetooth 5.3, multi-point support, and rock-solid stability. Compared to rivals like Sony WH, CH720N, or JBL Tune Series, CMF is punching way above its weight. Sound quality. I tested Afrobeats, EDM, classical podcasts. When I played Essence by Wizkid, the bass hit so clean I literally paused and said, no way. ANC, on a bus, 80% of noise disappears. In a cafe, Conversations melt away. Wind? Surprisingly well handled. Comfort? I wore these for 4 hours straight editing. No hotspots. No pressure. No heat buildup. Battery? CMF claims 100 hours. I got around 87 hours with ANC off and 45 to 50 hours with ANC on. Calls? Clear indoors. Decent outdoors. Wind can be an issue. Durability? Twist test. Passed. Drop test? Survived. Sweat test? No issues. Flaws? ANC struggles with very low rumbles. No autopause. No hard case. Pros? Insane battery life. Strong ANC. Warm, detailed sound. Premium comfort. LDAC support. Great build. Multipoint Bluetooth. Physical buttons. Cons? No hard case. ANC not flagship level. Warm tuning may not suit purists. Call quality dips in wind. Score 9 out of 10 for the price. The CMF Headphones Pro are perfect for students, travelers, office workers, creators, anyone who wants premium features without premium prices. Who should skip? Audiophiles who want ultra-neutral tuning, or people who need top-tier ANC like Bose or Sony. For everyone else, this is one of the best value headphones of the year. CMF didn't just compete, they disrupted. If you enjoyed this balanced deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and comment what product you want next. If you want to grab the CMF Headphones Pro, check the links below. It supports the channel at no extra cost. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Books Test 1. Student Workflow. Google Docs, Zoom, YouTube, Spotify, 10 tabs open. Smooth. No lag. No estuter. This laptop was built for students. Briefcase Test 2. Office and Productivity. Excel sheets, PowerPoint, email, multitasking. Handled everything like a champ. Clapperboard Test 3. Media and Entertainment. 1080p Netflix. Beautiful. YouTube, 4K playback. Surprisingly smooth. Artist Palette Test 4. Light editing. Photoshop. Works. Canva. Perfect. Premiere Pro. Light projects only, but still impressive for the price. Fire Test 5. Gaming. Casual games like Valorant, CSGO, Minecraft, Roblox. All playable at low/medium settings. Ice Cube heat and noise. Barely gets warm. Fans stay quiet. This is rare for budget laptops. Étonné surprise moment. I left it unplugged for an entire day, writing, browsing, watching videos, and it still had battery left. I literally said out loud, I can't believe this thing is still running. Warning flaws. Display brightness could be better. Base models with 4 GB RAM struggle. Speakers are okay, not amazing. Not for heavy gaming or pro editing. But none of these are deal breakers for the price. Thumbs up pros. Excellent battery life. Lightweight and portable. Great keyboard. Solid performance for the price. Quiet and cool. Full HD display. Affordable. Good port selection. Thumbs down cons. Display brightness is average. Base 4 GB RAM model is weak. Speakers could be louder. Not for heavy gaming or editing. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 gets a solid 8.7 out of 10 from me. Who should buy this? Students, office workers, travelers, anyone needing a reliable, everyday laptop. Budget buyers who want maximum value. Who should skip? Gamers, video editors, creators needing high performance. Value verdict. For the price, this laptop is a steal. It's reliable, efficient, lightweight, and shockingly capable. If you want a laptop that simply gets the job done without draining your wallet, this is it. If this review helped you, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm you want more real, honest tech reviews. Drop a comment below. Which laptop should I review next? And if you're thinking about buying the IdeaPad Slim 3, check the links in the description. I've listed the best deals for you. You're amazing for watching till the end. Stay curious, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thumbs Up Pros. Excellent battery life. Lightweight and portable. Great keyboard. Solid performance for the price. Quiet and cool. Full HD display. Affordable. Good port selection. Thumbs down cons. Display brightness is average. Base 4GB RAM model is weak. Speakers could be louder. Not for heavy gaming or editing. If this review helped you, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm you want more real, honest tech reviews. Drop a comment below. Which laptop should I review next? And if you're thinking about buying the IdeaPad Slim 3, check the links in the description. I've listed the best deals for you. You're amazing for watching till the end. Stay curious, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next one.